Hello. In this video, we show how to use the Jabra Elite 65E ANC, Active Noise Cancellation, and the HearThrough feature. To start, ensure the headphones are turned on. Press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. A short welcome sound and vibration in the neckband indicate that the headphones are on. Then the headphones announces the status of the remaining talk time, whether ANC is turned on, and any connected devices. To turn the Active Noise Cancellation feature on or off, press the combined ANC and HearThrough button on the left side of the neckband to cycle through the available options. With ANC on, you will experience a reduction in background noise, such as air conditioning. To turn the HearThrough feature on or off, press the combined ANC and HearThrough button on the left side of the neckband to cycle through the available options. With HearThrough on, you can listen to your surroundings without taking your headphones off. Download the Jabra Sound Plus app free of charge and use it to adjust to HearThrough and other features. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit jabra.com/support.